What if I told you that right now, there are AI tools online that can literally ruin your life with just a few clicks? It's a scary thought, and it's something I've been digging into lately. You're probably aware of the basics of cybercrime, but what's happening now is on a whole different level. I've been researching these AI tools, and I have to say, it's pretty astonishing what they can do. From creating deepfakes that are almost indistinguishable from real videos to generating phishing emails that are tailored to your personal interests, it's like they're playing a game of cat and mouse with cybersecurity experts. And the worst part is, they're getting better and better at it. But here's the thing, these AI tools aren't just used for cybercrime, they're also being used to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. It's like a digital version of the old-school propaganda machine, but instead of using print or radio, they're using social media and online platforms to reach millions of people. And it's working, because let's be honest, who doesn't trust a video or a post that looks like it's from a trusted source? As I've been learning more about this, I've been thinking about the analogy of a master key. You know, one of those keys that can unlock any door? That's basically what these AI tools are, but instead of doors, they're unlocking people's personal info, their bank accounts, and even their identities. And once they're in, it's hard to get them out. And that's what's so dangerous about these AI tools, they're not just limited to cybercrime, they're also being used to create online danger that can spill over into the real world. For example, a deepfake video can be created to make it look like a politician said something they never actually said, and that can have serious consequences. It's like a digital version of the old-school whisper campaign, but instead of whispers, it's being amplified by social media. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the benefits of AI? And you're right, AI has the potential to revolutionize so many areas of our lives, from healthcare to education. But the problem is, these benefits are being overshadowed by the risks, and that's what we need to be talking about. As someone who's interested in tech, I have to say, it's a bit disheartening to see how AI is being used for nefarious purposes. As I've been exploring this topic, I've been struck by the sheer scale of the problem. It's like trying to hold back a tidal wave, the more we try to stop it, the more it seems to keep coming. And that's because these AI tools are constantly evolving, they're getting better and better at evading detection and staying one step ahead of the law. It's a bit like the game of whack-a-mole, where you hit one mole, and another one pops up in its place. But here's the thing, I'm not a cybersecurity expert, I'm just a curious person who's trying to understand this complex issue. And as I've been learning more about it, I've started to realize just how vulnerable we all are to online danger. It's like we're living in a digital world that's full of hidden pitfalls and trapdoors, and we need to be aware of them if we want to stay safe. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's worth remembering that AI tools are just that, tools. They can be used for good or for bad, it's up to us to decide how we want to use them. And that's why I think it's so important to have this conversation, to talk about the risks and the benefits, and to think about how we can use AI in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. So, as we consider the implications of these AI tools, I want to leave you with a thought. What if the most dangerous AI tool online is not one that's used for cybercrime, but one that's used to manipulate our perceptions of reality? What if the biggest online danger is not a virus or a malware, but a distortion of the truth? It's a question that's been on my mind a lot lately, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. If you're as curious as I am about the intersection of tech and society, then let's keep exploring this topic together, and see where it takes us. You can join the conversation by subscribing to my channel.